Parts are starting to roll in. Let's go. Damn. A fresh Yosh. This thing is so beautiful. As the kids would say, sheesh. We're to accumulate quite the collection of parts for this thing. Pipe, suspension goodies, gold valves. Gonna be ballin'. And T-bolt coming in clutch with a throttle cable and a short shifter for the KLX, but that's for a different project. Ooh, what do we have here? Looks like some pegs, shifter, some freaking candy, brake pedal, Keystone. Shout out to Dave at Keystone Cycle Parts. He's helping me out huge with just a lot of information on these things. He's the one who told me about the peg mounts. So, got our forks all built, cycle stuff, aka my dad. Got it all set up with some Race Tech gold valves. They're valved and sprung for a fast lad like me. So, just to set the fork height real quick, we take our axle that we polished up and slide through there. Now, if it, like, that slides through pretty darn easy. So, I think we nailed it on the fork height. Maybe this one's a little bit taller, but if they're not even, that won't slide through so nicely or at all. So, as you can see, it slides through there pretty easy. So we kind of nailed it. You can also take a set of calipers, these, and measure down and get a repeatable spot on each side. But I think this is good enough for what we're doing. Here we have our Tusk wheels. Stock ones, they're still for sale. Link in bio. But let's check these bad boys out. Damn, boy. Got machined hubs. The studs for the sprocket are black, which is super baller. Nice little black chrome sticker, black rim. The wheel spacers are anodized black, which just a nice little detail. But same thing with the front. Tusk wheel, blue hub, black rim. So nice looking, especially for 450 bucks. You get a factory looking wheel set that's actually pretty legit. So once I get my tires in, I'll set those up with rotors and JT sprocket. This thing looks sick. Look at that. So factory looking. I couldn't help myself. This is a rough idea of what it's gonna look like, and that's pretty sweet, if you ask me. We are doing 1916. So big wheels. This is the little swing arm. There should be enough room in there, according to my calculations, to fit the big tire. So right now it's all the way back, but fingers crossed that that's gonna work. Got a little bit of blue bling. Went ahead and threw a little safety wire on those two joints. Those down there. Got Zeta billet clamp right there, which actually worked perfect because this brake line isn't technically supposed to work with these forks, but thanks to that little guy, it does. It's coming together. You got the wheels set up, running Pirelli Scorpion MX 32 mid-soft rotors on there. Same with the back, MX 32 GT sprocket. It's almost a roller. Just need to do the shock. This is just the stock one, just so I can test fit the big wheel with the little swing arm. I think it'll work. But we're gonna be doing the same setup as the front with 85 shock, gold valves, and spring. So, check it out. So we got 85 shock, Race Tech gold valves, Race Tech spring, all dialed for my weight and ability. We got this clevis down here that I got off eBay. A little longer than the 85 one. I had to grind material off of that side, and then I made this little spacer guide right here, take up space. So now it's sitting straight.